The 1954 Chevrolet 3100 Restomod is a perfect blend of classic American styling and modern automotive engineering. Based on the iconic 1954 Chevrolet 3100 pickup, a Restomod combines the truck's timeless vintage appearance with upgraded mechanical components, improved performance, and modern technology. This approach allows enthusiasts to enjoy the charm of a classic truck without sacrificing reliability or everyday drivability. Originally introduced as part of Chevrolet's Advanced Design Truck series, the 3100 became one of the most successful pickup trucks of the 1950s. Its strong construction and simple design earned it a reputation for durability, while modern Restomod builders transform these classics into high-performance machines with significantly improved capabilities. Most 1954 Chevrolet 3100 Restomods are powered by modern Chevrolet LS Series V8 engines, producing anywhere from 300 to over 500 horsepower, depending on the build. These engines are often paired with modern automatic or manual transmissions, delivering excellent performance, reliability, and smoother driving compared to the original powertrains. A major advantage of a Restomod is its upgraded chassis and suspension. Many builds include independent front suspension, coilover shocks, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, and improved handling components. These upgrades provide a much more comfortable and confident driving experience while maintaining the truck's classic character. The 1954 Chevrolet 3100 has become one of the most popular platforms for custom builders because of its timeless design and strong aftermarket support. Owners frequently personalize their trucks with performance upgrades, premium wheels, custom paint, air suspension, and advanced technology while preserving the truck's vintage identity. Historically, the Chevrolet 3100 played a significant role in America's post-war growth, serving farmers, small businesses, and families across the country. Restomod projects help preserve this important automotive heritage while adapting the truck for modern roads and everyday use. Fuel economy depends on the specific engine and modifications, but modern fuel-injected LS-powered Restomods generally offer better efficiency and reliability than the original 1950s engines, making them far more practical for long-distance driving. Today, professionally built 1954 Chevrolet 3100 Restomods are highly sought after in the collector market. Their combination of classic design, modern performance, and everyday usability often makes them more valuable than standard restored examples. Overall, the 1954 Chevrolet 3100 Restomod represents the best of both worlds, preserving the timeless beauty of a 1950s American pickup while incorporating modern power, technology, and driving dynamics. It remains one of the most admired custom trucks in the automotive world.